This great 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.9-liter inline 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, an effortless 4-speed automatic transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive. This 4-door crew cab truck has comfortable seats, 70,971 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.